out the way.
Uh-oh.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, always in the booze, GT500, coming at you with another video, man. Guess what, guys? I'm excited. The day is finally here. But first, let's check out these old school kicks I got. What y'all know about these? What y'all know about these? You tell me. What y'all know about these, boy? Yeah. What y'all know about these? Nike Air Bo Jacksons. Y'all remember the Bo Jacksons? Yeah. Ain't always about Jordans, guys. I got Bo Jacksons too. Ain't always about Jordans, you feel me? But yeah, day's finally here. I got the smoke all packed up and ready to go with Papa Smurf in the back. But we might have one problem right now. One major problem. It's gonna be a little sketchy drive over to C&D Autotech. I got about an hour to 2 hour drive to his shop. And yeah, you know, I know the Raptor isn't good for towing. I mean, they said 8,000 pounds. I'm nowhere near 8,000 pounds, and the garage is gonna be sketchy, and I'm about to show you guys right now. I got my little bro and my boy Jamal with me right now. What up, fellas?
Good, baby.
Yeah. What you think, man? You think we gonna make it or it's sketchy? Huh? Oh man, y'all want to see what this look like? This is terrible, man. This is very terrible, but check it out. Yo. Oh man. Talk about sag in the back. Granted, I have a full tank of gas. I have a bed full of parts, right? The trailer has tools and straps and jacks and jack stands in there. You know, I got, oh, damn, man, but look at Papa Smurf. Still clean as hell to be sitting, but the day has come to put that Whipple Gen 5 3-liter on. But back to this. This is not a good look, man. I'm gonna take my time, and I got 2 extra people. Man, look, guys, I don't know, but I did order Diva leaf springs for it. I just haven't had time to have the shop install them. My plan was to have it installed before I towed the car to the shop, but you know how that thing works. Life, work, kids, you know what I mean? But leave your comments below, man. What do you guys think? Can I make it? I'm just gonna take my time. At least it's a straight shot down the highway, but woo, talk about sag. I did check the bump stops. So the bump stops are still clear. It's not sitting on the bump stop, so that's good. You know, we got good clearance here. I might have to really upgrade this damn jack to get like a WD weight distribution jack maybe. So this shit, I had to flip it upside down. It was a nightmare, guys. But we will see. We will see if Smoke can handle this. I'm gonna look goofy as hell. So if you do see me on the highway, give me a shout. Thumbs up, man. But yeah, we ready to rock and roll, man. I'm excited. We ready to rock and roll. You know, always hit that like, hit that subscribe. You feel me? I told you guys the content was coming for the GT500. It's been a long time coming with COVID hitting. We've been waiting for parts, so you know what that stuff is, man. But we about to hit the road. And you know what? As we drive, I'll check back in with you guys to tell you how the drive is. Is it bouncy? Is it rough? Am I gonna make it? I'll check in somewhere down the middle of that drive to see how we doing. And yeah, man, hopefully we make it safe and sound. I got my fingers crossed, cause it's sketchy. It looks goofy as hell. I ain't gonna front. I wouldn't even drive some shit like that. I would make fun of somebody like, yo, what is this guy thinking? But it is what it is. We're gonna make it do what we do. And I'll check back in with y'all, all right? We ready to rock and roll?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll check you guys in the middle of the drive. And when we get to the shop, I explain what parts for the other stuff that people don't really haven't watched any of my previous videos and whatnot. So we'll see. Peace. All right. What's going on, everybody? So we're about 10 minutes out, 10 minutes to get to the shop. And let me tell you, besides the Raptor looking the way it looks right now, this shit's pulling. Like, I had no issues. I don't feel like the truck is bottoming out. I'm hitting the bump stops. I'm averaging about 13 miles per gallon, per mile, whatever you want to call that shit. And we rocking and rolling. I got my cameraman. It's nice to have a cameraman. But yeah, I mean, it's 12.3 miles, if you can see that. And it's rocking, man. I can't, there's nothing to complain about. I was nervous, definitely was nervous, but I'm about 10 minutes to get to the shop. I just want to fill you guys in on how the truck driving the way it was that you saw previously, earlier.
Really?
And got my little cameraman slash map guy over here, Jamal, doing this Thug Dizzo.
Salute.
But yeah, I'm gonna swing that back to you.
Got you, brother.
But yeah, man, I'm just trying to fill you guys in. But yeah, it's holding up.
Just stay in lane, don't turn yet.
You know, thank you, brother. But it's holding up. The truck is feeling good. Doesn't feel like I have no weight in the back. The truck ain't that bouncy. You feel a little bounce, but again, it was a smooth highway, straight shot. So yeah, I'll check back in you guys when we get to the shop. But I want to fill you guys in, all right? Peace. Oh, this guy back here.
That's how smooth the truck is.
Yeah, he's knocked out, as you can see. This guy, he's knocked out. I mean, should put some in his mouth or something, but he get show him. Yeah, he's knocked out.
Smooth ride, brother.
Smooth ride. So, I guess that's another way to show you he's sleeping very well back there. So, again, see you guys in the field. Peace. What up? We made it safe, as you can see, baby. The Raptor did it, baby. As you can see, we made it safe at C&D Autotech. Man, look, I'm not gonna front. First of all, it's nice having a cameraman for one time, but the ride was definitely sketchy. But as far as the drive, it was a straight shot. I didn't feel no bumps. The truck wasn't bouncing around. As you see, we made it, baby. Sagging and all. But you already know, I will have that fixed. So what we're gonna do right now, about to unload the car, get all the parts inside the shop, and we're gonna check out Chuck and have Chuck give you guys a small little briefing on the plans on Papa Smurf. All right? Check you guys in a minute. Bang, bang. Don't start that shit up in front of me. I need to lose some weight to fit. everybody. Of course, I'm sorry. Something went wrong with my GoPro. It took a shit as I got off the trailer and took a little spin around the block. But anyway, we at C&D Autotech. I got Chuck.
Let's go.
You know what I mean? As you can see, the car's on the lift already. We have all the parts, what's going on. I'll let Chuck give you a good briefing on what we got going on. If anyone don't know, Chuck's been working on this car since 2011. So relationship has definitely been a long time. He's been doing this thing for me, man. Third motor build and all the issues I had, he's been with me through the whole ride.
Yeah, so what we're doing this time around, we already got a built engine. We're already making about 900 horsepower with the Kenny Bell 2.8. We pulled the 2.8 off. We're putting a Whipple 3.0, new intake manifold, ported by 1320, new intake.
Yep.
Viking rear shocks, strange axles and spool. Just all the stuff we need to make some more power. We're gonna switch over to E85 and turn it up a little bit and make some big power.
You know what I mean? So, shout out to Jason over 1320 Junkie Performance. If it wasn't for him, I want to be able to have fun and have a Whipple blower. And he ported my manifold. I'm rocking his DD149 donkey dick intake. I got to correct this time, Jason. DD149 donkey dick intake, which now you can purchase that at our good friends over at Lethal Performance, or you can purchase it through Chuck at C&D Autotech.
Yep.
You know, if you want to order that intake. And yeah, man, it's been a long time coming. I know a lot of people have been asking on the channel, asking if I sold the car. No, it's just with COVID, Chuck moving shops. Yeah, our new shop has been very busy, us getting parts, but all that's behind us.
We're
ready to rock and roll now, man. Make some power and hopefully hit my goal. Just run a good 9-second pass.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So we got everything we have here, which should help me boost it there. All it is a driver mod, which I hope I can do. But as you can see, we got parts here. Chuck don't play around, so as we're unloading the truck, check out, Chuck has already took the King Bell off, it's off already. So he's already cranked on the car already, man, as you can see. You know, so like I said, I will put all of his information down below in the description, so you can have his info if you want to get anything done. He's already cranked on the car. We got a short time frame of getting this done. I would like to make a track rental in 2 weeks, so we'll see how it goes from there. Of course, we can have more content of this baby on the dyno with Lund Racing. So yeah, man, we're looking forward. And of course, I share again, you see Chuck a lot more now on YouTube because of Stainmo's car, which he's a big part of this project, Stain Mode. Shout out to Stain Mode on YouTube, man, great YouTube channel. So he's been part of this crazy 1100 horsepower built 2020 Shelby GT500, man. But I mean, as you can see, this is it, man. I'm trying to play with the big boys, man. So we can get it done. Chuck's gonna get it done. We got all the parts here. And that's all I got for you guys right now. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Shout out to my boy Jamal. He got my cameraman. It feels good to have a cameraman. I used to hold it myself. Got my brother. You know what I mean? Help me, unload some of the parts. And yeah, man, check you guys in. Hopefully, next time I check back in, the car will probably be running and be ready to hit the dyno. I'm not sure we can do any time lapse of the parts getting installed because, like I said, we have a short time frame. So yeah, Chuck, appreciate you, baby. And check you guys in the next one. Peace.